How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 64 Tempest. It's painted in a beautiful champagne with a caramel interior. Beautiful car, guys. Super cool car. This car was a frame off. They did a lot of really cool upgrades to this car. Got all Hotchkiss suspension, front and rear with 2 relay arms. Got 4-wheel disc brakes. Got a 12-bolt posi. Got a 428 with dual quads. Super cool car, guys. This is a real sleeper. Got drilled and slotted rotors, front and rear. It's just a super cool car. I mean, it's got power steering, got the power 4-wheel disc brakes. 428 with dual quads, aluminum radiator. Front bumper's been all re-chromed. Looks really nice. Grills are all in good shape. It's got a whole new interior in it. It's a good clean car. I tell you, these 64s, they're hard to find. And this thing is just done up so cool. It's got tilt steering. It's got an Ididit column. They did a nice little center console there with your tach and a couple gauges and your shifter. Looks real nice, tastefully done. It does have a CD stereo mounted in the glove box. Trunk floor looks real good. Now the taillight housings and the moldings here on the tail panel, they are the originals. They got a little bit of patina to them. The rear bumper is also the original. Does have a little bit of peel and chrome on the bottom there. But it's nice and straight. Be easy to get re-chromed. Tell you, I really like the way they made that little console in the center there. Very tastefully done. Doors are nice and clean. Just a super cool car. You can see all the 2 relay arms and everything in the front, upper and lower. It's got 1-inch front sway bar on it. Actually, it's an 1.25 inch front and a 1-inch rear. It fires right up. Got the aluminum radiator, dual quads. Super nice car, guy, and this is just a really cool car. It's got stainless exhaust with stainless mufflers. Again, really cool car, guys. This thing's just ready to cruise. Again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.